everyone, I hope you all are doing superbly awesome. So yeah, again I'm with a DIY video. So I'll be showing you how to make these lovely woolen flowers. See how cute is that, right? So I'll show you how to make these flowers as well as how to arrange your bedside table. You know, I keep on changing my bedside table decor. By profession I am an interior designer, so I keep experimenting with the decoration stuff and I keep on changing. So this time I'll show you how to decorate your bedside table and how to make this flower. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. For the next DIY, you will be needing woolen, green tape, that is a paper tape, then bangle, a pair of scissors and a wooden stick like this. You can take any stick, like it should be firm enough. Now for making this woolen flowers, you will be needing this bangle and you just need to take this thing and just start rolling on like this, just one like this, and then start rolling on till the count of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we're almost done with the 100. Now I'll just cut off the excess which we don't want like this. Then I'll just remove it. Just carefully remove it. This way. So we have this like this and this way. Okay, now I'll take a piece of thread. I'll just cut off this much just to tie it off, and then I'll take this like this and I'll just tie this way. Just make a knot, tie it properly so that it doesn't come out. This way. Now you just take this portion, just put it like this and start cutting off in this way. Now same will do from the other side as well. So we have like this, somewhat like this. Now what we need, just make sure that every knot is properly away from each other like this. Okay, now once we are done with this, what I'm going to do is just chop out the excess thing and make it beautiful flower. So just I'm cutting off this excess and giving it a proper shape. So we have one pom. Now with the help of this glue gun, I'll first take this stick. You can take as much long as you want. Then with the help here, somewhere here, I'll just put this glue gun, apply this glue gun onto it. So yeah, this is my glue gun. Just be careful with this glue gun thing. And I'll just apply a glue over here. Like this. And I'll take this stick and I'll just stick it around here. And I'll just press it properly this way. Now after pressing, you're done with the flower thingy. Now to cover up this stick, you will need this green color tape. It's easily available in market. It's tape, green tape, paper tape, and then you just need to roll on. Start from here and just make sure that ends are properly placed. Then after that, just keep on rolling this tape like this. Just keep on rolling down, down, down. It will come automatically and you will get a smoother finish. Just keep rolling, rolling, rolling this way. Okay, now cut off the excess. So yeah, you're ready with the flower. You can make, I have made so many and it looks amazingly pretty. Now I'll show you how. Hey guys, just make sure that your table is absolutely clean. So I'm using my tissue paper just to clean up the table properly. Just make sure your table is really very neat and tidy. Then I'll be taking this white color bowl, a small bowl, and I'll just place it in the middle of the table like this. Then after that, I bought this glass vase from Lifestyle Ambient store. So I'll just place it here in between like this. Then my DIY flowers will come inside this, which I made. Just I'll put one stick inside like this way. Just put it inside. How cute it is looking. So flowers are in almost this way. Now on the other side, I have this artificial flower kind of bowl, which I bought it again from that ambient store in my city, and I'll just keep it like this. Greens are always it looks beautiful. Then I have a small journal in golden color. It's really very beautiful, so I'll keep it here. Then I'm having my fragrance scented candle. I bought it from Lifestyle, and I'll just keep it here like this. So yeah, your center table decor is almost ready. It looks superly awesome, superbly cute. See? I hope you like it, watching it. It is really very, very cute, very, very nice. Flowers looks amazing. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed watching these cute little flowers. I just love these flowers like so much. And yeah, if you make this, then just click pictures and hashtag me like MonalSingh29 on Instagram and email me your pictures. And if you liked it, then please give a thumbs up and do subscribe. It will mean a lot to me, guys. And of course, keep watching my such more videos. I'm watching my videos. Do share it as well, and yeah, we'll see you on Wednesday. And do take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye.